What is valency? The capacity of an element to combine is called its valency. The valency of an element is indicated by a specific number. It is the number of chemical bonds formed by one atom of that element with other atoms. With the help of sodium chloride, we can explain valency of an atom. A sodium atom gives away one electron and a cation of sodium is formed. Hence, the valency of sodium is 1. A chlorine atom takes up one electron and forms an anion of chlorine, that is chloride, and thus the valency of chlorine is 1. After the give and take of electrons is over, the electronic configuration of both the resulting ions has a complete octet. Due to the attraction between the unit but opposite charges on the two ions, one chemical bond is formed between Na plus and Cl minus, and the compound NaCl is formed. Thus, a sodium atom has the capacity to give away one electron, while a chlorine atom has the capacity to take up one electron. This means that the valency of both the elements sodium and chlorine is done. You can see here sodium atom electron configuration 2, 8, 1. So 1 electron gives sodium ion of Na plus, that is 2, 8. Then chlorine atom electron configuration 287 takes 1 electron plus 1 electron gives chloride ion, that is 288. So Na plus Cl minus gives us NaCl, that is sodium chloride. So you can give the electronic definition of valency. The electronic definition of valency is as follows. The number of electrons that an atom of an element gives away or takes up while forming an ionic bond is called the valency of the element. So you can explain the terms anion, cation and valence electrons. Yes, positively charged ions are called cations, while negative charged ions are called anions. For example, MgCl2 contains Mg++ and Cl- as cation and anion respectively. The electrons present in the outermost orbit of an atom are called valence electrons. So why is valency always a whole number? The number of electrons that are given away or taken up is always a whole number. Therefore, valency is always a whole number. Now, do you know about variable valency? Under different conditions, the atoms of some elements give away or take up different numbers of electrons. In such cases, those elements exhibit more than one valency. This property of element is called variable valency. So, valency of an element is essential for a number of things. Valency, then chemical formula. Without it, there would be no chemical formula. And subsequently, no word equation. And ultimately, we would have no idea about chemical equations. By valency, we actually mean the combining power of an element or a radical. It is usually measured by the number of hydrogen atoms an element or radical can displace or combine with. The elements and radicals can be classified based on their valencies. First, we have the -1 valency group. These entities are monovalent and electronegative, hence they are designed as -1. For example, OH, that is hydroxide ion, fluoride ion and chloride ion. Also bromide ion, bicarbonate ion and nitrate ion. We move on the +1 group. NH4 ammonium ion, Ag silver ion, H hydrogen ion, K potassium ion, Na sodium ion. These are also monovalent but they are electropositive, hence the plus sign. So here is the homework for you. You have to note down the sodium atom electronic configuration, chlorine atom electronic configuration. Then note down that on page number 53 there is a science capsule which is not in portion, so you don't need to study that. Also on page number 53, as you can see this yellow box, National Chemical Laboratory, that also has been removed from our portion, so we are not going to study that also. But here is one question for you. Use your brain power. How will the compounds MgCl2 and CaO be formed their elements? This is homework for you. Try to solve it. And as we go on page number 54, as we have studied about variable valency, under different conditions, the atoms of some elements give away or take up different numbers of electrons. In such cases, those elements exhibit more than one valency. This property of element is called variable valency. On page number 54, always remember, and research has been removed from syllabus, so we are not going to study that. So as we have seen variable valency, so some elements that exhibit variable valency are given here, like copper, mercury and iron. So their valency is 1 and 2. Iron is U plus, U2 plus, and their nomenclature cuprous, cupric. For mercury, the symbol is Hg. Valency is 1 and 2. Iron is Hg plus, Hg2 plus, and nomenclature are mercurous and mercuric. Also for iron is Fe. Valency are 2 and 3. Iron are Fe2 plus and Fe3 plus, and nomenclatures are ferrous and ferric. So remember this, you have to note down this, and remember the deleted portion also, that you don't need to study that. Also the homework for you is that you have to complete the following chart, as the elements are given there: atomic number, electronic configuration, valence electrons and valency. Some are given there, so as we have studied, you can complete this chart. And as we have studied that the number of electrons that are given away or taken up is always a whole number, therefore valency is always a whole number. So that's it all for today. As we have studied valency, I hope you have understood today's topic. Home assignment I have given to you, you have to solve that. And also we have studied the deleted portion which we don't need to study, that also I have told you. So keep that in mind and complete your assignment, and see you at next video. Thank you.